What's up, outsiders? I'm a big fan of living. That's why I bought this ACR RescueLink PLB 400 personal locator beacon. I'm also a big fan of testing my gear before I need it. So in this video, we're going to perform the self-test and the GPS test. Let's get to it. The self-test is pretty easy. All you need to do is push this test button for 2 seconds. But the hard part is decoding what the strobe lights mean. If you look in the user manual, you'll see that 3 green LEDs followed by 1 strobe means it passed. 3 green LEDs followed by a red LED means it failed. 3 green LEDs followed by 2 red LEDs means it's low battery. Okay, so let's do our self-test. So we're going to push this button down for 2 seconds. You see the green light, another green light, another green light, followed by a green light and a strobe. So our first self-test passed. For the GPS test, you're going to unclip the antenna and position it so it's 90 degrees to the sky. Also be careful not to hit the activation button. Then you're going to hit the test button and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see a green LED flashed, followed by 3 more green LEDs flashing, indicating the test has started. The unit will flash red until the GPS signal has been locked on. Once the GPS signal has been obtained and the test deemed successful, a green LED followed by a strobe will flash. If it can't acquire that GPS signal after 110 seconds, the test will just terminate. Okay, so we're going to do our GPS test. We're going to hold the test button for 5 to 10 seconds. See, we got our green LEDs, and now it's flashing red trying to acquire the GPS signal. This may take a few seconds. Okay, success. We saw the green flashes followed by the strobe. Our GPS was locked on and the GPS test was successful. Testing your gear before your trip is so important. That's why you set up your tent in your living room. Same deal with a personal locator beacon. You want to make sure this guy is 100% functional before you go into the backwoods. So in the event you need to push that button, you know you have a reliable way to call for help. Hope you liked this video. Be sure to click that like button. If you want to see other outdoor adventures or outdoor how-tos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. That's it for now. I'll see you guys outside.